In the heart of Whiskerwood Park lived a curious little raccoon named Ravi. He loved shiny things, and he really loved snacks. Ravi didn't notice, but his shiny scavenging was making the park a mess. Ravi loved shiny things. Bottle caps, snack wrappers, soda cans. And he really loved snacks.
Oh yeah, chocolate chip cookies. Yum!
But Ravi never noticed what a mess he left behind.
Yuck! My tail's all sticky.
Quack! What happened to my beautiful pond?
Yuck! Mom, I think the sandwiches are moving.
The animals were very sad. Their beautiful park wasn't nice anymore. So they all left.
What a great nap! Now for some munchies! Huh, what's going on? Where is everyone?
Then Ravi saw it, the mess that he had made all by himself.
Oh no, I did this! It must have been me who made all this mess everywhere.
Ravi grabbed the stick broom, rolled up his fur, and got to work.
I'm gonna make everything look like brand new again. The park will feel more like home to all my friends and everyone else when I'm finished. These rocks need a good clean as well. I'll fix that.
I will help you get all of this mess cleaned up. I will help you as well. We will get everything spick and span. One by one, all his friends joined in. Together, they made the park sparkle again.
Thank you for watching. It would be awesome if you would take the time to comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the bell so that we can notify you of our new videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.